Hello, this is Westgate Property Management and I am outside of 1340 Ramona Lane in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located just off of McDowell Boulevard, close to shopping, Highway 101, schools, really easy access. Let's go inside and take a look. So this home has all new paint throughout, plank vinyl flooring. So you come in immediately to your left is the kitchen, which has an eat-in kitchen area and has been remodeled with new appliances, a large stainless farm sink. We'll go ahead and go out to the garage, which is really nice. It's a semi-finished garage with garage door opener and access to the backyard. Living room, and there is a little access to the kitchen through that wall. Really nice large backyard with a covered patio. Not a lot of landscaping, but it is a large yard. Again, kitchen. This first bedroom faces the back of the home. Mirrored doors for the closet. Bathroom with tub and shower. I think this is the largest of the 3 bedrooms, but again, plank vinyl floor throughout. And this bedroom faces the front of the home. So again, this is 1340 Ramona Lane in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.